Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Cruze. This vehicle was used in our courtesy transport service, but is being sold as new with warranty with 2,825 miles on it. Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers over $3,500 off MSRP on this specific vehicle, while also giving its customers an additional $1,000, but that's for this specific vehicle. This vehicle is a front-wheel drive car that has a 1.4 liter four-cylinder turbo engine that has never been in any accidents. When we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio and even our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.